Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video let's take a look at Nvidia stock. And as you saw on the thumbnail of the video, is this the top on Nvidia? Well guys, in this video we'll take a look at that. Okay, it all comes down to technicals, right? I'll be providing a potential way of trading this candle, and also I'll be providing my opinion. Is this the top? So yeah, let's just stick through with me and we'll go over the things. So with that guys, please hit the like and subscribe, and also please note none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. I'll also take you over the options data, how things are looking like. I'm seeing some spike in the puts suddenly, so we'll talk about that as well. And let's start off with some low-hanging fruit. So I want to first show you my day trading bot, and performed amazing today as well. We got a really good buying position today, and yeah, made good money on Nvidia here. Here's the last 30 trades of data. There will be red days, not hiding anything. That's what it is. And then on the swing bot, let's turn that on. So on swing bot, the last buy position that we got at where was it? 947 almost, and yes, and bot has already given take partial profits signals as well. So far we have current position still open. PNL on this is 5,446 in profit, and closed PNL is already to 2,600 through this partial profits. So things are looking great, and you can see the data is all here. There will be red trades as well. You can see here there are most of them have been profitable. We are net profitable over the last 30 trades. And if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. All right, now so let's go to the daily interval here and what we have. So after earnings we gapped up. As for right now, we are still, that's this gapped up. Technicals were higher highs, higher lows, and also the new technicals as it has formed. Nvidia has been just a green candle today, despite market little bit selling off. Not little bit, we're seeing a good red stuff on QQQ and SPY, but check out my video on QQQ and SPY if you want to know more about it. But right now this is just a cool off and a pullback. We can't say more than that right now, but check out my QQQ and SPY video. That will tell you everything that you need to know on this. But Nvidia is still green, so it still outperformed the market, 9% up, $88 up all in all total, right? So let's go to the hourly interval and let's start talking about the technicals here. So guys, that trend line, the black one down at the bottom, since the technicals are different, even though it's still bullish and you can still use that trend line as for the reference, but this is right now Nvidia, you can't trade off of this trend line right now because we have new technicals. Eventually we'll end up forming completely new parameters as well around those technicals. But yeah, we have enough that we can start talking about, is this the top, Junior Trader? All right guys, so let's first talk about that, because I think got your attention with that, right? So right, I do that sometimes. Okay, so what are we seeing on hourly interval? Above 20 moving average, right? Above 50. Well, 200 moving average is way far below. So am I seeing any structure to the downside? Oh, Junior Trader, I'm seeing this cool off. This is the top? Well, no, this is this is just a cool off and just a pullback right now. If you want to see the structure start to form a top, like these big cap stocks, guys, just don't fall like that, one candle and then fall. No. There's this, this level as it has been holding 1023. I told you so in my morning video on Nvidia that I did, guys, that Nvidia is bullish as long as it stays above 1023. Any pullback to 1023 is just a pullback, and you can see right over there, precisely at our level 1023, we got bought back up. And not just that, even at this $1,000 that I was talking about in my video yesterday, I said that as long as we are above it, structure is still bullish. I mean, my day trading bot made the money, right, on the long side. But I also gave you this level. If you don't have my tools, I still gave you this level on my video yesterday, that $1,000 and above is just a long play. So guys, let me burst that bubble if this is the top. Well, as of price action right now, no, this is not the top. All right, the price action is just saying that, hey, I'm slowing down, not even slowing down. It just said, oh yeah, I made a lot of move. Now let me rest a little bit. Let me give other opportunities to other traders to buy in. And that was the day trading move as well. Another one, that $1,023 level held support. Now, tomorrow, same thing. If we are not breaking below 1023, I'll give you some more levels as well. This can just continue higher. But remember, let's say tomorrow, if we lose $1,023, all right, that will lead us to also lose 20 hours moving average. It may cool off down to $1,000. That's a possibility. But I don't expect more than that. And if it happens, it happens, right? You have to have a stop loss regardless, whatever position you take on the other side of these levels, and your position should be taken at the price action of these levels, right? Like this, when you see the price reaction at these levels like that, right? So yeah, if we lose 1023, you may expect some cool off to 1000. I expect there will be a support. 50 hours moving average will definitely give Nvidia a support. I think so. And the things are still so bullish on Nvidia, guys. Even if it comes down to 975, let's say if that happens, this is not going to be bearish though. Okay, this is still going to stay bullish. If you want really simple way of scalping or trading it as well, right? Let's go to the daily interval. And what I'm going to do is mark after earnings, you can do it this way. So mark the bottom of this candle. Let's come to the hourly interval. You can use that as a parameter that even though 1023 will start to bring weakness if we lose that level, but you can take this as, oh, if 1015 breaks, then 1000, it's a quick scalp at least. And then if we lose 1000, it may traverse a little bit lower. So you can also trade off of this type of trading approach, intraday trade only. The swing structure is still bullish, but if it, as I say, if it pullbacks comes, then you have to watch the break of these levels that I just provided, 1023 and 1000, and this is a range way of if it just stays between 1023 and 1000, it's just a the limit trade on this, like the range trade as well, right? But yeah, it has a potential to hang around here, stay bullish. Pullbacks might be bought back up on eventually, right? And if the levels doesn't break. So yeah, on intraday structure is still bullish as long as we are as long as we are above 1023. If we break that, possibility to $1,000. And if we lose that, then you're watching 50 hours moving average. But structure all in all is still bullish as long as we are above $975. So to answer your question, no, this is technically not the top as for where the price action is right now. It's not, at least right now, it's not the top. We'll see as price action evolves, but if you say, oh yes, this is the top, no, this is not the top. Price action has not confirmed, has not shown me anything that tells me that this is the top. This is not the top right now. When price action will develop, evolves eventually, I'll talk about if this ever becomes a top. We'll then talk about it. All right, so until then, just trade with the levels, trade with those structures that I've provided. Again, decisions are yours. You don't have to agree with me, and I'm not here to make you agree with me. You can go and make your own decisions, and your outcomes, okay? You make money or you lose money, it's up to you. All right, that all comes down to your responsibility. I'm just providing here my opinion, that's all. And all right, so that's Nvidia. All right, and let's go to the options data. So here we go. So today's price is at 1037 right now, but we did go above. How high did we go? 1062. So we did print money on these. Well, $1,000. These are $1,000 call. Good spike here. A lot of calls being made. 1050 here. We can see a call spike here as well, and as I'm seeing $1,100 call spiking as well here. So, but yeah, most of these calls have already made the money. Now, surprisingly, these puts at 850 has just spiked up, and I'm clueless why. I just showed price action is not even confirming anything in the direction of 850. I have no clue why the open interest is high on 850. Even on 900, I don't know what traders are thinking, but I'm not seeing anything going in that direction for the expiration of this week, which would be tomorrow. So yeah, that's that. I don't know what's going on there. Anyways, guys, well, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful and valuable, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye. And as you know, if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. I have two trading bots, 2 indicators, and Wall Street alerts. All right, bye, guys.